Again. Well, we on chapter 3 now. Well, I finally got it in, and it was causing because the screw itself was actually touching on the plastic. So what I did was I just went, as you can see, I went straight to the plastic, and that solved the problem. And you can also see that speaker is fully mounted. There's no shaking when I'm driving. There's no shifting of anything when I'm driving. It's just performed the way it's supposed to be performing. But as you can see, these are kickers. These are 4-inch 100mm. all right, kickers, 4 ohms. So they're not the big boys, but they get the job done. So it's time for me to put this back on here. And I'm sorry for the mistake in my other video. It's the first time I'm doing a conversion, but as you can see, the conversion actually worked. So we just connect the wires as they were meant to be connected. Whew. All apart. So, what the hell I just did? Did something wrong? This one right here. These are problem joint. I should cut it out, but it is what it is. Alright. So like I said, it's plastic. Everything in this truck, basically, this whole thing is plastic. So if anything is in your way, anything giving you a problem, all you really have to do is cut it out. You know what I mean? It's not nothing difficult, nothing big deal. You can just straight cut it out. If it's going to give you tremendous problems where you cannot get what you want to get done, just cut it to your liking, to what you want, to what you feel it should be, and go with the flow. You know, there ain't nothing wrong with that. And just go with the flow. So as you can see, it's fully in now, and it's not moving, it's not shifting. So all I gotta do is mount this piece back up here. But you can tell that I was having problems with getting it off. So sure as heck, there's gonna be a problem getting this problem in. So like I said, one came up right there. That's the one thing I don't know why certain companies use clips on cars. I don't know why. That's all you gotta do. Just knock it in. As you can see, everything is knocked in back. Everything is in its place. And that's it. And you already know. Take this piece, bring it here. Slide this in. Put it like this. Bottom piece in first. Snap the top piece in. And grab the 2 screws that you took out earlier. And just reinsert them. That's all to it. That's all she wrote. And you're done. So I'm gonna give it a little test. You know what I mean? And we're gonna see how it's gonna furlong, how it's gonna play. I just started to want to do things on YouTube. My wife asked me why I didn't tape, because every minute I'll be doing oil change or brakes or something on the vehicles. You know, so I'm almost done with what I got going on right now. I'm always doing something on vehicles. So as you can see, Betsy's up and running. Put my key in here and see what's going on. See if she's playing. And word to the wise, whenever you're doing things like this, always check this before you screw it all up. I just screw it up because I know it's gonna work. I'm sure myself. And there you go. I'm positive on myself, so that's a thumbs up right there. So we want to thank you guys for watching, even though it was a little glitchy, and you know what I mean, as I said, this is my first time doing switching it up with a speaker that is not designed for that slot and making it work. But next time I'll be doing the front door speakers and Also, I'm gonna be installing spider tweeters in here. I also got a fuse that comes with it that don't allow bass to get to these. I won't be putting any amps in here. It will be just a regular radio. I'm also going to change that to something that can give more output. So till I see you guys next time, thank you very much for watching, and give us a thumbs up.